welcome back to the show. I'm Maya, and I'm glad you're here.
And I'm Daniel, happy to join you all again for another chill chat.
Before we start, hit like and subscribe if you enjoy learning with us.
Yeah, it really helps the channel grow and brings new learners in.
So today we're talking about something every learner feels.
Yep, why English sounds difficult and why it feels so confusing.
And of course, how to make it feel lighter and easier.
We're keeping it chill today, just a friendly conversation.
How's your day going, by the way?
Pretty relaxed, actually. Had some tea and a long walk.
Nice. I love slow mornings. They feel so peaceful.
Yeah, good mood for a long talk about English struggles.
Perfect. Let's dive into it. So, Daniel, why do you think English sounds tough to people?
First thing, the spelling. English words look calm but sound wild.
Haha, yes. Like the letters take a vacation from their job.
Words like though, tough, and thought scare learners.
Same letters, totally different sounds, very confusing.
People try to guess pronunciation from spelling.
But English spelling is unpredictable and messy.
Exactly, so learners feel lost before they even start.
Another big reason is rhythm. English has its own music.
Yes, it's stress-timed, not equal-timed like many languages.
Some words stretch, some shrink, depending on importance.
So beginners hear English as one fast, blurry sound.
And they think natives speak incredibly fast.
But natives aren't fast, they're just using natural rhythm.
Once learners get the rhythm, it slows down instantly.
Rhythm is like the heartbeat of English.
Another thing is the number of accents.
Oh yeah, English has more accents than my playlist.
British, American, Australian, Indian, Canadian, so many.
And they all sound slightly different to beginners.
Even within one country, accents change every few miles.
So learners feel unsure which one to follow.
That confusion makes English sound harder than it is.
But variety is normal, it's not a problem, just new.
A big reason English sounds difficult is linking.
Oh yes, natives connect words like train coaches.
Going to becomes gonna, want to becomes wanna.
Even did you becomes didya, very common.
Textbooks rarely teach these natural forms,
So learners listen and hear words they never learned.
which makes English feel fast and unclear.
But once you learn linking, everything becomes clearer.
Now let's talk mindset, because it matters a lot.
Yes, many learners freeze because they want perfection.
They want every sentence to be perfect and clean.
But that pressure makes speaking impossible.
Fear makes the brain shut down during conversations.
They worry about mistakes more than communication.
But mistakes are normal. They're part of the process.
Exactly. You learn to speak by speaking badly first.
Another reason English feels tough is lack of exposure.
True, many learners don't hear natural English daily.
They rely only on textbooks or school lessons.
And those are not enough to train real listening.
Real English in daily life is very different.
Exposure builds comfort. Comfort builds fluency.
And comfort makes English sound less scary.
The more you hear it, the more normal it feels.
So how do we make English sound easier?
First, train your ears more than your mouth.
Listening helps you understand rhythm and flow.
You can't speak sounds your ears don't recognize.
Listen to podcasts, shows, or simple conversations.
Even 5 minutes a day helps your brain adapt.
Don't wait to understand everything. Just listen.
Yes, your brain catches patterns automatically.
English spelling is messy, but sounds have patterns.
PH often sounds like F.
TION becomes shun.
Learning patterns reduces confusion fast.
Always check pronunciation audio when learning words.
Don't trust the spelling, trust the sound.
Shadowing is one of my favorite methods.
Same here. Repeat with the speaker at the same time.
Match tone, rhythm, stress, everything.
It rewires your brain for natural speech.
Keep clips short, maybe 10 to 20 seconds.
Do it daily and you'll feel improvement fast.
English stress patterns change everything.
Yes, important words get stretched.
Unimportant words shrink and get lighter.
Learning this makes English feel slower.
It's like hearing the beats in a song.
Once you feel the beats, speech makes sense.
Practice connecting words together.
Start small with gonna, wanna, gotta.
Then move to phrases like, what you doing?
Linking makes listening easier too.
You start hearing what natives really say.
And you stop feeling lost in fast speech.
Pick one accent and stick with it at the beginning.
Yes, switching between accents confuses learners.
American or British are the easiest starting points.
Once fluent, explore all accents freely.
Consistency helps your brain learn faster.
And removes accent-based stress.
The moment you stop fearing mistakes, progress starts.
Yes, mistakes show you're practicing.
Nobody speaks perfectly, not even natives.
Fluency comes from comfort, not perfection.
Speak even if you're unsure.
The goal is communication, not perfect grammar.
So, English sounds difficult because of rhythm, accents, and fear.
But with the right habits, it becomes lighter and smoother.
Listening daily, shadowing, and learning patterns help a lot.
And staying relaxed makes learning fun, not stressful.
Thanks for joining us for this chill conversation today.
We hope it made English feel a little less scary.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with friends.
And keep practicing. You're improving more than you think.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Take care.